Hey, welcome to the Duranified channel. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing this battery hub, intelligent battery charger for the Fimi X8 SE. And what's nice about it is that you leverage your existing infrastructure, your Fimi X8 power brick right here, and you plug it into this intelligent battery charger butler is what they call it, and you have the connector right here, this interface right here. These two lugs here allows you to use a different power supply, and if you use this lug here, it'll power this channel, and if you use this lug, it'll power these channels. So yeah, it's kind of nice. It's got an LCD display, it's got a button, and it also has a 4-port a USB port right here. It's not a 4-port, but it's just a USB port. This button here allows you to toggle between the batteries, as you can see when I toggle here. Boom, 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 back to the battery charger here. See that? It might be a little overexposed, hard for you to see, but yeah, and that's what it's doing. When you long press it, you switch between modes, and that means you have battery check, storage mode, fast charge, or the lug charging here that we discussed earlier. So yeah, it's easy to use, inexpensive. Links are in the description below. Pretty cool. Let me see if I missed anything that I should cover for you all. I think I got it all, guys. Yeah. The only thing that is probably hard for you to see, and I'll go ahead and put a picture in here, is it's got these icons here in the LCD display, and so it tells you your mode, your battery charge, and then your 4 different channels here of the batteries and their respective voltage charges on each one. So easy to use, not expensive, makes it simple, stupid to charge batteries. As you can see, I'm charging 3 batteries right now. All right, as usual, guys, if you enjoyed the video, smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell too. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate your time. I'll see you guys around. Bye-bye. Hey, welcome to the Duranified channel. Audio test 1, 2, 3. Hey, welcome to the Duranified channel. In this video, I'm going to oh boy.